James back with 360 and back. In today's short iGuide tutorial, I want to go over your iGuide analytics report. If you are familiar with the iGuide knowledge base, you can simply type in iGuide analytics explained, and it'll bring you to this. If you're not familiar with the iGuide knowledge base, I made a video on it previously, so I would highly recommend to go and check it out. So with the iGuide analytics, this is something that you're going to be receiving once a week or every 7 days, and it's going to have a lot of valuable information on it. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and just open up iGuide. So when you get the report, if you did not upload any images to your iGuide, you're going to receive something like this. Okay. Once you upload images, it'll be changed to that image. So you're going to have a couple different things on your iGuide report. Number one, you can open it using this link right here. You can go ahead and share it using the Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Pinterest. You have this nifty little button, which you can learn more about the iGuide analytics, and the sold button. Now the sold button, all this really does is it locks your iGuide after you sold it. That way other people don't have access to it. So on a couple of different things, it's going to tell you your all time. So you're going to have 127 visitors, 98 unique visitors, and the duration. So 1 minute, 37 seconds. The last 7 days had 123 visitors, 95 unique visitors, and 1 minute, 38 seconds. It's going to tell you when people are actually on there looking at it. So we can see by the date, as long as this report is continuously going, this list is just going to continue to grow. So it's going to show you, how much you've been doing. Now, the other cool thing about the analytics report that you'll get once a week is your top referrals. So if you spend a lot of money on property boosting or anything else like that, you're going to be able to see it right here. You're going to see where people are viewing your iGuide information. So we see that we had, 21 people look at it through Zillow, 19 through Realtor.com, Manage Your iGuides, the Unbranded Link, Coldwell Banker Homes, SearchAtlantaHouse.com, Redfin, and Amago Homes. Others is 0, and Direct Access. Direct Access is just the links that you've been sending out to people. So by far, they send out a lot of links, and that's how they got that direct access. You also have unique visitors and returning visitors. So you had 95 unique ones, and you had 28 people return. And this gives you the breakdown of the last 8 weeks, which is still a relatively new tour. And then right here, it also gives you the breakdown on the visit durations. So between 10 to 20 seconds, you had 8 people, or 10%. 5 minutes plus, you had 25 people looking at it, which is 27%. So you can really see kind of like the engagement of where people are looking at. That's 5+ minutes. So in between that, like 4 to 5 minutes, only 3 people. So this is just a quick breakdown on how to read your report. I hope this answered all your questions. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to send me an email. And thanks so much.